Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can deactivate or delete your Telegram account. So basically, Telegram doesn't have deactivation, but you can permanently delete your account. So to do that, open your Telegram app. And here, tap on the settings at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Here on settings, scroll down until you find privacy and security. Scroll down, and here under automatically delete my account, tap on if away for. And here you can select either 1 month to 1 year. In this case, I'm going to select delete account now. Once you tap on that, as you can see, it will show you some of the options. So scroll down until you find this delete my account button. Now tap on this continue button at the very bottom. Again, tap on continue. Again, tap on continue. And here, enter your phone number. And then once you enter your phone number, tap on continue button. And finally, delete my account. So it will basically permanently delete all your account from the linked devices. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.